welcome back to my channel. I'm Bonnie. For those of you I haven't met, nice to meet you. Today we are in Cartagena, Spain, and we're doing a walking tour of the rustic streets, and we'll be going to the Concepcion Castle by elevator and walking all around. And this city is very old. It was ruled by the Carthagenians, Romans, Muslim, Byzantine. It's been around for a long, long time, so we'll be checking out the architecture, seeing what's here. It's a small little city. Haven't been here before. It's not too far from Malaga, which I was at yesterday, so check that video out. And also I have a playlist on the wonder of the seas. So let's get started.
Helpful cruise tips and inspiration for your future cruise travels. Cartagena is a port city and naval base in the Murcia region of southeast Spain. It was founded by the Carthaginians around 220 BC, and there's so many Roman ruins that are maybe from the 1st century BC, like the theater, and we'll be seeing that as well. Everything is from Roman times and very, very ancient.
We're walking a bridge from the elevator. We're at the Concepcion Castle. It's like a super modern elevator to get up. Here is our cruise ship from a distance.
It also is a city that is located on the Mediterranean coast, so it's a perfect destination for the beach, and there are some beaches around, and there are a lot of palm trees that line the streets. This castle is home to a few peacocks.
Wow. Wow.
People often ask, is Cartagena worth visiting? And I would say yes, it is, because there are so many things to do, from the historic Roman and Carthaginian sites. This is a nice panoramic view of the city from up above. It's just a really nice, manageable place from the cruise ship port. So really you don't even have to take a guided tour. You could just walk around on your own. Heads up, there is some walking involved with cobblestones, and we walked downhill to a museum where we entered the Roman theater. The Museo del Teatro Romano, which is the Roman theater of Cartagena. It is a Roman theater, and it was built between the years 5 and 1 AC. It seated about 7,000 people in its day. It was used until the 3rd century. An acoustics demonstration. And also this theater is a museum with lots of artifacts as well.
You can see the garden, what they're going to restore.
We walked the streets of Cartagena, saw some beautiful murals and just the way that they're living. We stopped by a store, a supermercado, to get something to drink, and we were just looking around. Principe, with lots of restaurants and bars. We also noticed there was lots of shopping. The main shopping street is called Calle Mayor. It has all kinds of shopping, from clothes to pottery to soccer shirts to anything you can think of. And also it has many places to eat and sit down and enjoy just people watching. The streets are made of marble.
It smells good, whatever they're cooking here. Men's shoes and men's clothes. Here.
people dancing in the plaza here. Bravo. I really like the palm trees. They're very different than at home. Today's a little unusual because we have a celebrity ship, a Viking ship, and then the Wonder of the Sea ships all here at the same time. And then you have a Sunday where people like to come out, walk around. We're in a a Burger King, and they have that right off the pier. People are enjoying that. I think people just like, the families that live here like to come here. But for us, we're just looking for like a Starbucks for Wi-Fi, but we don't see one around. So your best bet is to go to a restaurant or bar and buy a soda, use the Wi-Fi there. It's been my pleasure showing you around Cartagena. It's quite a city. I really enjoy the feel of the city. It's not too busy enough to navigate. The people know English. They take euros. That old theater was really nice, and to go up on top of the castle. So the tour was really good. I mean, you could do this on your own easily because the ship is just right within walking distance of the city. So the tour costs about $59, I believe. It's good when you only have a certain amount of time and you don't know what you're doing. But anyway, it was a great time showing you around. I really enjoyed it. You could do it on your own easily. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. I do have a playlist above on the Wonder of the Seas. We went to Malaga yesterday, we're in Cartagena today, and tomorrow we'll be in Valencia. So make sure you check out the video for that. Thanks again for watching. Until next time.